Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Good Tuesday morning. It is 20 minutes before the hour, and we're looking at a pretty fair morning here. Yes, we have pushed a few thin clouds through Central Oregon. However, no precipitation out of those, nor are we expecting any today. It's cold enough to be sure. We're 21 degrees at the Bend Airport, and with these fairly clear skies, calm winds, and high humidity, you may indeed have a little bit of frost on the windshield this morning, so be careful with that. 19 degrees at the Redmond Airport. We're headed for a day that stays pretty fair, and we'll come back to the northwest here in just a second. Major storm activity, winter storm activity pushing through Pennsylvania and upstate New York. Heavy rains in the deep south. The heartland's in pretty good shape. We have pushed a little bit of storm activity through California and the desert southwest. Here in the northwest, actually, pretty fair shape. We've seen a few clouds press through, but the only snow that we've seen evidence of is just southeast of Burns. We saw a little bit of that move through earlier this morning. This broken cloud cover is pretty much what we're going to be dealing with throughout the course of the day and overnight tonight. May get a little thicker tonight, but we're planning on staying pretty dry. Now, the big change that we're looking at over the next few days is actually been motivated by this low pressure center that has not budged from north central Canada. I know it doesn't seem like something a couple thousand miles away should be bothering us, but indeed it will. It is going to bring a lot of cold air to the central portion of our nation, and it already has. Now you can see that we're kind of on the back side of all of this, but yesterday we even did see a little bit of a flinch in this airflow. Consequently, it wound up a little bit on the cold side. Now we ultimately warmed into the low 40s. That's pretty much where we're headed today. We're going to see this kind of flow stay with us for a couple of days. So the moisture today has basically moved off to the southeast. We'll be left with a few clouds, but a pretty fair day ahead. Now, by Thursday, it's going to take about 48 hours for this to change, but by Wednesday night into Thursday, we're going to see a dramatic change. We have a winter storm watch, goes in place on Thursday at noon. It stays in place until 10 p.m. Friday. It'll make for a lot of rain on the coast and the valley, very heavy snow in the Cascades. We are going to see as much as 2 feet of snow at Mount Bachelor between Wednesday night and Saturday morning. Central Oregon, we're going to get in on all of this over the next couple of days ourselves. So enjoy the nice fair day that we're going to have today. Today's temperatures will look a lot like yesterday. Now, stays fairly mild through Wednesday, but that Wednesday nights when this is going to start to settle in, we will have a winter storm watch that'll stay with us through Friday into Friday night. This Arctic blast is going to change our temperatures. We won't get above freezing. In fact, low 20s Friday and Saturday, single digits down near zero for the nighttime overnight lows. We'll warm a little bit going out of the weekend into next week, but still below average for this time of year.